Hey guys, I'm back from Burning Man and all I got was this f***ed up eye. I'm in San Diego and I have a shoot tomorrow morning and I've recently come back from Burning Man.
It's goddamn Super Nintendo.
So I've got just a ton of dirty clothes. Much of them were covered in playa dust.
Excellent. Oh, so good. He is excellent at this.
Didn't want to use my friends in LA, their laundry facilities, because I didn't want to mess up potentially their washer or dryer. So I stopped at a place and was listening to an audiobook, being kind of absent-minded, just going through the process that I've done a bunch of times at laundromats. And then when I'm drying my clothes, 30 minutes has passed or something, so I stop it and I see how it's still wet, so I start to put the stuff back in there and I put a coin or two in, which I just remembered I left coins in there. I put coins in there and never used it, because the guy came up to me and he's like, hey, just so you know, I've got to close up real soon. Normally I've found laundromats to be open really late, and it was only 10 o'clock, I think. And I was the only one there. I guess I should have taken some sort of hint before that time, but I was engaged in what I was listening to. So I left my 50 cents and piled everything into a bag unfolded. I found a place that was open until 2 a.m. It's like a 17-minute drive. And then as I'm approaching, I find myself in this downtown area. It's also a Friday, so it's very busy here. There's no parking spaces. But I did just find a parking space. But I've been driving around for a long time. The parking space that I found is probably 5 or 6 blocks. So I've got just a ton of stuff I've got to go lug over there, throw in a dryer to get the wrinkles back out, and fold it and then lug it all back. There was a time when I was traveling that on a Friday night I would be exploring the local culture. I could be spending $40 on 3 drinks to go talk to strangers, but instead I'm doing my laundry and talking to you. Ding! Look at these freaking intense thorns. I just stepped on this and that went right through my shoe. I'm interested in your opinion. This is the first time that a video I've put out has cell phone footage, and it was even the selfie cam footage, so that's even I think that's 720p. Normally I put so much time into scripting basically everything I say except for some of the jokes I make, and this time I just kind of ran with a scenario that was currently ongoing in my life, which was my laundry drama. So what do you think about that? I want to get a reading on if you would prefer me to do more of the well-prepared sort of logistical educational style videos, or if you like this kind of insight into my more daily struggles as somebody who lives in a car. So let me know what you think. Subscribe, share, all those things, and I look forward to seeing what you have to say. Thanks.